Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by Central Silk Board. Friends, it's a statutory body under Ministry of Textile, Government of India. So they have released various vacancies. So let's discuss them. Friends, if you see at the serial number 1, it's a group A vacancy for Assistant Director A&A, that is admin and accounts. There are total 4 vacancies, out of which 2 vacancies are for unreserved category and rest are for reserved category candidates only. And pay level for assistant director admin and accounts is pay level 10 as per 7 CPC, and your pay scale is in the range of 56,100 to 1,77,500. So it's really a good pay level. And friends, qualification asked for assistant director administration and accounts is you should be a chartered accountant or a cost accountant or company secretary or an MBA or MCOM from recognized university, and they have mentioned that desirable qualification should be bachelor's degree in law from recognized university. I don't understand why they have mentioned the law degree as a desirable qualification for admin and accounts, but anyways, if you are having any of the above mentioned qualification, then also you are eligible to apply for this post. And one good thing is that they have not asked for any experience, so even if you are fresher, then also you are eligible to apply. Now, very important, age limit. Friends, age limit should be as on 16th January 2023. Here for assistant director admin and accounts, you should be not exceeding 35 years. So it's really a good thing that all my friends who are presently working are also eligible if they are below 35 years to apply for this post. And there is certain age relaxations for reserved category candidates. You can go through them in detail. I will provide the notification link in the description box. And friends, the selection process for assistant director admin and accounts is 3-stage process. First, there will be a computer based test, then there will be an interview, and then there is a skill test or proficiency test if required by them. So basically, computer based test and interview will be your major rounds. Now, application fee. Friends, for group A, application fee is rupees 1000 for unreserved category candidate, and for SC, ST and women candidate there is no application fee for this post. Now, schedule of events. Friends, your online registration are already started from 24th December and it will go till 16th January 2023. So ample amount of time is given for you to fill up this application form, and your online examination will be held tentatively in Feb or March month. So that's really a good thing that in advance only they have informed that exam will be in Feb or March month, and in the same month call letters can be available for download, and your exam will be declared in March 2023. So by the end of March they will release the result of your computer based test, and then they will take the interview or skill test, and for which the date will be intimated to you at the later stage. Now, they have mentioned the indicative syllabus for assistant director admin and accounts also, so let's check that. So friends, your examination is bifurcated in 5 parts. Your part A and part B, that is general knowledge and English topics, will have 10 marks each, and total 10 minutes is there for both these part. And then your part C and part D will be of 10 minutes, and in that cash book is of 10 marks, and general finance rules and its application is of 20 marks, that is 20 questions will be asked from this topic. Then your part E, that is your core technical syllabus, it will be of 50 marks and 50 questions will be there, and for this 40 minutes will be provided to you. So like this, total 60 minutes, that is 1 hour, is there to answer 100 questions of 100 marks. And friends, here your every question will have 1 marks and every incorrect question will have a negative marking of 0.25, and the detailed syllabus is mentioned here. You can go and check them in detail, and rest details are same as that of any other vacancy of how to fill and all those details. You can check them in detail. So friends, it's really a good opportunity for all my CA, CMA, CS and MBA friends who wish to apply for this vacancy. Since the age limit is also high, there is no experience required, and pay package is really good. So do apply for it if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, and also share with your friends and family whom you find that this vacancy might be useful. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.